Hello friends, it's me Alfredo. Today we're gonna be working on this. It's a 2003 Chevy Malibu. It had an issue because the key for the car was when you put the key in the car, it was not going into on, or it was kind of stuck. I mean, you were able to take it out, but the key wasn't able to move at all. So what we had to do is that that's a common failure on the ignition lock cylinder. What happens is that ignition lock, it gets dirty inside, and then the pins can't go into the slots where it's supposed to go, where they're supposed to go to turn. So what I did was that I had to tap a little bit the key inside, so that until it kind of it was able to go, because in order to replace the ignition lock cylinder, you have to have the key in the accessory position. If you don't have, if it doesn't turn, you're not gonna be able to replace it. So first of all, you gotta have the key to turn. How you do it? Sometimes you gotta hit it a little bit, you tap it, trying to make it move, and you go harder, a little harder. It will go. I'm telling you, it will go. I just did it. It's just that we didn't get it on camera because the car was stuck in a parking lot. We had to do it like on the spot. So I want to show you how to replace the ignition lock cylinder. First of all, we need to pop out this ring right here. It's really easy. You just gotta pry on it with a screwdriver. And it just pops out like this. Okay, set it aside. Now what we want to do, because the shifting lever is gonna be a little bit like kind of on the way, so you want to put the key to the on position and then press the brakes and slide the shifting lever all the way to the back. Okay, now you wanna pull it off, but because you got the key, the lever on gear, the key won't come out. So at this point, we're gonna disconnect the battery. Okay, now we got the key to the on position, or to the accessory position. Okay, you see, when you got the key, you know, here it comes out, but when you got it to the first right there, then you can pull on it. See, now here inside, I want to show you here. I don't know if you can see it, but right here there is a hole right there. See? So you gotta push in that with push, and then you pull the lock cylinder. This is it right here. See? This is your ignition lock cylinder. Now, this is the brand new ignition lock cylinder. Okay? It comes just like this, with a pair of new keys. Okay, so what we're gonna put this guy back in. Okay, brand new. So if this is the off position here, right, you want to have it like around here, and then just slide it in. And that's it. That's your new ignition lock cylinder. Now there is something you gotta be aware of. When you replace this, your car won't start because of the anti-theft system. So you gotta relearn your keys. with the system. So I'm gonna put the battery on. All right, friends, now that we have everything back together, you know, so we have our brand new key. It came with a pair of keys. So what we're gonna do, because if you try to start the car, it won't start because of the anti-theft system. And you're gonna see it right here in the dash. Once I put the key on, you're gonna see the anti-theft system kicking on. So the procedure to reset the key is you're gonna put the key in the ignition lock, then you're gonna put it to the on position, okay? You see the theft system light blinking right there? That red light blinking there? Okay, so you wanna try to start the car and then leave the key in the on position. You try to start the car and then leave the key in the on position for approximately 10 minutes. You're gonna leave the key in the on position until the theft system light stops blinking, okay? So it'll take about 10 minutes. It's good to see. The time is still 12:28, like 12:38. This is out of range because we disconnected the battery, but you can see like around 12:38, we're gonna come back and we'll see that the theft light is off. So now we already did the procedure, you know, to relearn the key and the anti-theft system. So right now it's in the last one of the 10 minutes, and as you can see, the anti-theft system light in the dash is off. So right here, see, it's off. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the key off and then put the key off, wait 6 seconds, and then start the car. And there you have it, how to change the ignition cylinder lock on a 2003 Chevy Malibu. If you liked the video and it was helpful, please subscribe and give us some thumbs up. And if you have any comments or any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Thank you. See you next time.